Welcome to Magadi, a quaint town nestled in Karnataka, India. Just 40 kilometers west of bustling Bangalore, Magadi offers sanctuary to those seeking solace in nature. Join us as we uncover the natural beauty and captivating attractions that make Magadi the perfect escape from city life. High atop a verdant hill stand the weathered ramparts of Magadi Fort. This ancient stronghold, perched majestically amidst lush greenery, offers a glimpse into a time long past. The fort's strategic location on the hilltop not only provided a vantage point for defense, but also a breathtaking view of the surrounding landscape. This architectural testament to a bygone era, with its imposing walls and intricate stonework, speaks volumes about the craftsmanship and ingenuity of its builders. Commissioned by the Vijayanagara Empire, the fort stands as a symbol of their power and influence. The empire, known for its architectural marvels, left an indelible mark on the region, and Magadi Fort is a shining example of their legacy. The fort carries echoes of a storied past, where tales of valor, strategy, and grandeur were etched into its very stones. Each weathered brick and stone tells a story, a whisper of the lives that once animated this fortress. Time has sculpted the fort into a symphony of ruins, a testament to the relentless march of history. The once formidable walls now stand as silent witnesses to the passage of centuries, their crumbling facades a poignant reminder of the impermanence of human endeavors. Its stones whispering tales of valor and grandeur, of battles fought and won, of lives lived in the shadow of its mighty walls. The intricate carvings and weathered stones are a testament to the artistry and dedication of those who built it. Yet there's a serene beauty to these ruins, a tranquility that permeates the air. The fort, in its state of decay, exudes a quiet dignity, a reminder of the passage of time and the enduring beauty of history, a tranquility that permeates the air, inviting visitors to pause and reflect. The serene landscape surrounding the fort adds to its charm, creating a peaceful haven for those who seek solace in history. The fort's embrace extends beyond its walls, encompassing tranquil surroundings. The lush greenery and the gentle rustling of leaves create a symphony of nature that complements the fort's ancient grandeur. Here one can wander leisurely, tracing the contours of history etched upon the land. Families and solitary wanderers alike find themselves drawn to the fort, each step a journey through time. Tracing the contours of history etched upon the land, visitors can almost hear the whispers of the past. The fort's ruins offer a tangible connection to the lives and events that shaped its history. The gentle rustling of leaves and distant chirping of birds contribute to the symphony of serenity. Nature and history blend seamlessly here, creating an atmosphere of peaceful reflection. Contribute to the symphony of serenity, enhancing the fort's tranquil ambience. The natural sounds create a soothing backdrop, inviting visitors to immerse themselves in the fort's timeless beauty. As you traverse the paths, you're likely to encounter fellow travelers, each drawn by the fort's rich history and serene surroundings. The paths wind through the ruins, offering glimpses of the fort's past at every turn. You're likely to encounter fellow travelers, each with their own reasons for visiting. Some come for the history, others for the tranquility, but all leave with a sense of awe and reverence for this ancient site. Drawn by history and tranquility, visitors find themselves captivated by the fort's enduring charm. The fort, even in its state of decay, continues to inspire and awe those who walk its grounds. The fort, even in its state of decay, serves as a poignant reminder of Magadi's rich historical tapestry. Its walls, though crumbling, still stand tall, a testament to the resilience and strength of the past. Serves as a poignant reminder of Magadi's rich historical tapestry. The fort's remnants offer a glimpse into the past, a window into the lives and events that shaped this region. It stands as a silent sentinel, bearing witness to the ebb and flow of time. The fort's enduring presence is a testament to the passage of centuries and the enduring legacy of those who built it. Bearing witness to the ebb and flow of time, the fort remains a symbol of resilience and history. Its stones, weathered by time, continue to tell the stories of a bygone era, inviting all who visit to listen and reflect. Beyond Magadi Fort, a landscape painted in hues of emerald and sapphire awaits. Rolling hills, cloaked in vegetation, rise and fall like gentle waves. The air, fresh and invigorating, carries the sweet scent of wildflowers. Nestled amidst these hills, lakes shimmer like scattered jewels, reflecting the azure sky. These waters, teeming with life, serve as a haven for myriad bird species. The true splendor of Magadi's landscape is best witnessed during the monsoon season. As the heavens open, the region undergoes a dramatic transformation. Waterfalls roar back to life, their cascades tumbling down rocky slopes. The hills, now a riot of emerald green, pulsate with life. Wildflowers burst forth in a kaleidoscope of colors, painting the landscape. Magadi's scenic beauty, particularly during the monsoon, possesses an ethereal quality. No exploration of Magadi is complete without a detour to the majestic Nandi Hills. This enchanting destination, located just a short drive away, offers a perfect blend of natural beauty and historical significance. Whether you're a history buff, a nature lover, or simply seeking a peaceful retreat, Nandi Hills has something for everyone. Rising from the plains, Nandi Hills stands as a sentinel, a beacon visible for miles. Its towering presence has guided travelers and pilgrims for centuries, drawing them towards its serene and mystical embrace. The hills are not just a geographical feature, but a symbol of the region's rich cultural tapestry. Shrouded in legend and history, Nandi Hills has long been a place of pilgrimage. The ancient temples scattered across its slopes are a testament to the area's spiritual significance. Each temple, with its intricate carvings and age-old rituals, tells a story of devotion and reverence that has been passed down through generations. The air here is cooler, a welcome change from the oppressive temperatures below. The lush greenery and the gentle rustling of leaves create a soothing symphony that calms the mind and rejuvenates the spirit. Early mornings are particularly magical, with mist enveloping the hills, adding an ethereal quality to the landscape. As you ascend the winding road, you're treated to breathtaking panoramas. Each turn reveals a new vista, more stunning than the last. The journey itself becomes an adventure, with the anticipation of what lies ahead adding to the excitement. The higher you go, the more expansive the views, offering a glimpse of the world from a different perspective. The verdant slopes are dotted with ancient temples, their stones whispering tales of bygone eras. These sacred sites, some in ruins and others still standing strong, are a reminder of the area's rich heritage. Exploring these temples is like stepping back in time, each stone and carving a piece of history waiting to be discovered. Upon reaching the summit, the world stretches out before you, an endless tapestry. The panoramic views are nothing short of spectacular, with the horizon blending seamlessly into the sky. It's a moment of pure awe, where the beauty of nature takes center stage, leaving you feeling humbled and inspired. Nandi Hills is a paradise for nature enthusiasts and adventure seekers. The diverse flora and fauna, coupled with the challenging terrain, make it an ideal spot for outdoor activities. Whether you're into birdwatching, rock climbing, or simply enjoying a picnic amidst nature, Nandi Hills offers endless possibilities for exploration and enjoyment. Numerous trekking trails offer a chance to immerse in the region's natural splendor. Each trail has its own unique charm, winding through dense forests, open meadows, and rocky outcrops. Trekking here is not just a physical activity, but a journey of discovery, where every step brings you closer to the heart of nature. As the sun sets, Nandi Hills transforms into a photographer's dream. The golden hour casts a warm glow over the landscape, highlighting its natural beauty. The play of light and shadow creates stunning visual effects, making it a perfect time to capture the essence of this magical place. Whether you're a professional photographer or an amateur, the sunsets here are sure to leave you spellbound. For those seeking solace in nature, Magadi offers abundant opportunities to reconnect with the outdoors. The area surrounding the town is a haven for trekking enthusiasts, with numerous trails winding through hills, forests, and rustic villages. These trails cater to all levels of fitness and experience. One popular trail leads to the summit of Shivaganga Hill, rewarding trekkers with panoramic views. Another favorite is the trail along the banks of the Arkavathi River, offering a tranquil escape. As you stroll along the riverbank, you're likely to encounter a variety of bird life. For a more immersive experience, multi-day treks can be arranged, allowing you to venture deeper into the wilderness. These treks provide a unique opportunity to disconnect from the modern world. Our exploration of Magadi's natural wonders takes us to Ramanagaram, where nature intersects with human endeavor. Known as the Silk City, Ramanagaram is renowned for its thriving silk industry, but Ramanagaram's allure extends beyond its silk heritage. The town is a paradise for nature lovers and adventure enthusiasts. Towering granite hills rise from the plains, challenging climbers with their sheer rock faces. Ramanagaram is one of the best spots for rock climbing in South India. Beyond the thrill of the climb, the rocky outcrops offer breathtaking views of the countryside. The hills are crisscrossed by numerous hiking trails, each offering a unique perspective. Whether you're an experienced climber or a nature lover, Ramanagaram offers something for everyone. Scattered across the landscape surrounding Magadi lie numerous lakes, each possessing a unique charm. These tranquil oases provide sanctuary for a wealth of biodiversity. One such gem is Thipagondana Reservoir, known as TK Hali by locals. This sprawling reservoir serves as a vital source of water for the region, but beyond its utilitarian purpose, TK Hali is a haven for birdwatchers and nature enthusiasts. As dawn breaks, the air comes alive with birdsong. Herons and egrets stalk in the shallows, while kingfishers perch on branches. For a more immersive experience, boat trips can be arranged, allowing you to glide silently across the water. As the sun sets, the lake transforms into a scene of ethereal beauty. Beyond its historical treasures and scenic landscapes, Magadi harbors a hidden world teeming with life. This region is a sanctuary for a diverse array of flora and fauna, each contributing to the rich tapestry of its ecosystem. From the towering trees to the tiniest insects, every organism plays a crucial role in maintaining the balance of this natural haven. The forests, a patchwork of emerald green and sun-dappled clearings, are home to a variety of tree species. These trees not only provide shelter and food for numerous animals, but also play a vital role in the local climate and soil health. The dense foliage creates a microclimate that supports a myriad of life forms, from birds to mammals to insects. Towering tamarind trees provide shade for creatures seeking respite from the sun. These majestic trees are not just a source of shade, their fruits are a vital food source for many animals. The tamarind's extensive root system helps prevent soil erosion, making it an essential component of the forest's health. Beneath the canopy, a carpet of fallen leaves provides an environment for insects and invertebrates. These tiny creatures play a significant role in the decomposition process, breaking down organic matter and returning nutrients to the soil. This cycle of life ensures the forest remains fertile and vibrant. Giant wood spiders spin intricate webs, while brightly colored butterflies flit from flower to flower. The presence of these insects indicates a healthy ecosystem, as they are both pollinators and prey for other animals. Their activities contribute to the pollination of plants and the control of insect populations. Keep your eyes peeled for the elusive langur, known for its distinctive black face and long tail. These primates are highly social and play a crucial role in seed dispersal, helping to maintain the diversity of the forest. Observing a langur in its natural habitat is a reminder of the intricate connections within this ecosystem. Venture closer to the lakes, and you'll enter a realm dominated by water birds. These birds are not only a visual delight, but also play a vital role in the aquatic ecosystem. They help control fish populations and contribute to the health of the water bodies by feeding on insects and other small creatures. Herons and egrets stalk in the shallows, while kingfishers perch on branches. These birds are expert hunters, using their keen eyesight and quick reflexes to catch fish and other prey. Their presence is a testament to the health of the aquatic environment, as they rely on clean water and abundant food sources. As dusk descends, keep an eye out for the Indian peafowl, its iridescent plumage a breathtaking sight. These birds are not just beautiful, they play a role in the ecosystem by controlling insect populations and dispersing seeds. The sight of a peafowl at dusk is a fitting end to a day spent exploring the wonders of Magadi's flora and fauna. As our journey through Magadi draws to a close, we find ourselves filled with a sense of peace and tranquility. We've explored ancient forts, witnessed breathtaking landscapes, and encountered diverse flora and fauna. We hope you've enjoyed discovering the natural wonders and captivating attractions that make Magadi special. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel adventures as we explore the hidden corners of our planet.